Soft Pastel Drawing Ideas for Beginners is great to learn, so get out those pastels with the beautiful colors. Check out the technique video linked below if you'd like before starting. We're going to start by drawing an apple. Stop the video anytime and finish your step. Draw the outline of the apple first. Draw the little dip in the top, add a stem and a leaf if you want to. And then you're going to use your pastel with a side stroke and get that base color. If you look at your apple closely, if it's like mine at least, the base color underneath is kind of a yellow. So you'll cover the whole apple with that yellow color. Next, draw in that stem with brown and use like a yellow-green for the background of that leaf. Now we're going to put some of that red on top of the yellow background. Use that side stroke again and bring that color down. If you look at the apple, it has kind of streaky color. It's not all solid. So make some kind of streak color strokes and color that in nice. And then you're going to take your finger on that. This is the fun part, I think. Take your finger and blend those colors together. You're not going to rub it. You're not going to just rub it so that it's all one color. Leave a little bit of that streaky look, but you can see how that pastel gets down into the paper. Use a little bit of blue for the shadowing around the bottom as the light can't hit that part. Then come back on the leaf and add some darker green and blend. Now I added some more red on top just to kind of layer up that color. Isn't that cool how you can do that with pastels? You kind of layer them up like that. And you can get that deep red, especially around the sides of the apple and more towards the base. I added a little bit of a black outline around just to make it more of a crisp edge. If you'll notice, I did use black paper. You can also do this on white paper. So outline a little bit in black. Use just a little bit of blending on that to soften that a bit. Then I drew in some blue for a tabletop. You can use any color you want. And added just a little bit of a black outline to the back, just again to make some shadowing look. And I added a little bit of black underneath the apple as well and did some blending with my finger. There's so many things that you can do with pastels. Experiment and just have fun. Don't be hard on yourself if it doesn't look great, especially the first time. It's no big deal. Just enjoy the process and have a lot of fun. So, Soft Pastel Drawing Ideas for Beginners is a great way to get started. We'll have more of these tutorials at welcometananas.com. Come join the fun.